Sri Lanka have unveiled their squad for the ICC Women's ODI World Cup 2025, and it's a blend of experience, resilience, and fresh talent. Chamari Attappattu, the island nation's talisman, will once again lead the side, backed by seasoned campaigners like Harshita Samaravikrama, Nilakshi D. Silva, and Anushka Sanjeevani with the ever reliable Inoka Ranavira. So, how do they stack up heading into their seventh World Cup appearance? Let's take a closer look. Sri Lanka's strengths start right at the very top. Chamari Attappattu is not just their captain but their heartbeat, a match winner who has carried the side countless times. Around her, there's a settled core that understands pressure and conditions, from Samara Vikrama in the middle order to Ranavira with the ball. Add to that a rich spin arsenal. Ranavira, Sugandhika Kumari, Chamari Attappattu herself, and youngsters like Devmi Vihanga and Kavisha Dilhari, this Sri Lankan side suddenly looks tailor made for subcontinent conditions. The inclusion of youthful energy injects energy, athleticism, and a sense of fearlessness, all amplified by the comfort of familiar home venues. But there are weaknesses that cannot be ignored. Sri Lanka have historically been over reliant on Attappattu, and that hasn't changed. If she falters, the batting depth and firepower remain a massive concern. Their pace attack, though bolstered by the return of Udeshika Prabodhini, is thin and untested, with Malki Madara still raw and Kalasurya nearing the twilight of her career. The middle order has often struggled to accelerate or rebuild under pressure, and in modern ODI cricket, the gap can prove quite costly. Fitness and fielding too have lagged behind the top sides, and as co host, Sri Lanka will have to cope with the added pressure from home expectations. Still, the opportunities are immense. For the likes of Devmi Vihanga and Kavisha Dilhari, there is a chance to announce themselves on the global stage. For Attappattu, who is now 35, it could be the final World Cup of her career for all you know. This is a chance for her to leave behind a legacy as one of Sri Lanka's greatest. Playing at home also provides a rare advantage. Crowd backing, familiar pitches, and less travel. A strong start, especially against India in the opener, could create momentum and belief. But the threats are real. Injuries to key players, particularly Prabodhini and Attappattu, could derail their campaign. Stronger oppositions with deeper squads, say the likes of Australia, England, India, South Africa, will test Sri Lanka's ability to compete consistently. Even against mid-tier sides like Pakistan or even someone like Bangladesh, lapses in batting depth could cost them heavy and the fielding could swing games away. So, as the 2025 Women's ODI World Cup dawns, the question is as simple as this: can Sri Lanka turn home advantage, a potent spin attack, and the brilliance of Attappattu into a genuine shot at World Cup glory, or will familiar weaknesses and tougher oppositions keep them away from breaking through?